In 2019, Georgia passed House Bill 481, otherwise known as the Heartbeat Law. It increased the restrictions on abortions in Georgia. It was allowed to go into effect after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in 2022.
Today, News 12's Nick Hill shares how some doctors are saying this law is causing harm to their patients.
I struggle every day to provide necessary life-saving medical care.
Georgia Senator Jon Ossoff held a hearing on Tuesday concerning Georgia's abortion law. 3 OBGYN doctors testified to the experiences they have had advising patients through pregnancies. One described the experience of a woman who experienced a miscarriage after traveling to Massachusetts because she discovered her fetus would likely not survive due to a severe medical issue.
When she arrived to our clinic, her fetus had already passed and had been dead for several days. She was admitted to the ICU for a life-threatening clotting disorder called disseminated intravascular coagulation, as well as massive immune dysregulation in the form of sepsis. Georgia's abortion ban jeopardized her life by delaying her access to care. She survived. Others have not.
According to Georgia's data software, Oasis, the state saw over 35,000 induced terminated pregnancies in 2022, the last year that data is currently available for. That is the same year this current law went into effect after being signed in 2019, which Governor Brian Kemp said would be the morally correct decision to enforce.
Georgia is a state that values life. We protect the innocent. We champion the vulnerable. We stand up and speak for those unable to speak for themselves.
That is the sentiment questioned by these doctors.
I've seen young pregnant moms with worsening medical conditions and couples whose deeply desired pregnancies are in the process of miscarrying be turned away or forced to leave their communities to access needed health care.
We have reached out to Governor Kemp and the Georgia Life Alliance, which is the largest pro-life group in Georgia, for a response to this testimony. Reporting, Nick Hill, News 12.